Winner Design Solutions. Founded by a visionary named C. Nitish Reddy, this institute had a singular mission: to nurture and train aspiring designers in the art of building information modeling, BIM, and interior design. As Winner Design Solutions embarked on its journey, it faced its fair share of challenges. The world of design was fiercely competitive, and there were many giants in the industry. However, C. Nitish Reddy and her team were undeterred. They knew that their passion for design and their dedication to providing top-notch training would set them apart. In just a short span of 5 years, Winner Design Solutions had become a pioneer in the field of BIM and interior design training. Their state-of-the-art facility was equipped with the latest software, including AUTOCAD, REVIT, 3ds Max, VRI, ENSCAPE, and LUMION. This arsenal of tools allowed students to explore and master various aspects of design, from drafting intricate floor plans to creating breathtaking 3D visualizations. The heart and soul of Winner Design Solutions were its instructors. These seasoned professionals not only possessed a wealth of knowledge but also had a genuine passion for teaching. They mentored and guided each student, nurturing their creativity and helping them develop a keen eye for design. In 5 years, Winner Design Solutions had trained more than 5,000 students, each of whom had a unique story to tell. Many of these students had come from different backgrounds, some with no prior design experience, but they all left with a strong foundation in design principles and the confidence to pursue their dreams. What truly set Winner Design Solutions apart, however, was its commitment to ensuring that every student not only received top-notch training but also found meaningful employment. The institute had a stellar track record of placing its graduates in some of the industry's top companies. This success was a testament to the quality of education and the dedication of the instructors. As the 5th-year anniversary of Winner Design Solutions approached, C. Nitish Reddy couldn't help but reflect on the incredible journey they had embarked upon. What started as a small institute had grown into a beacon of excellence in the world of design education. They had not only trained designers but had also become a close-knit community of creative minds, all passionate about bringing their design visions to life. To celebrate this milestone, Winner Design Solutions organized a grand anniversary event. Graduates from the past 5 years returned to share their success stories, showcasing the remarkable projects they had worked on. The institute was abuzz with excitement, and it was a night to remember, filled with laughter, nostalgia, and inspiration. As the evening drew to a close, C. Nitish Reddy stood before the gathered crowd, her heart full of gratitude. She thanked her dedicated team of instructors, the countless students who had put their trust in Winner Design Solutions, and the industry partners who had supported their mission. Looking forward, C. Nitish Reddy and her team knew that they were just getting started. Winner Design Solutions had become a name synonymous with quality, innovation, and excellence in design education. With the ever-evolving world of design and technology, they were ready to embrace the next 5 years and beyond, continuing to shape the future of designers and the design industry itself.